Hi friends, this is the first video dedicated to Miskatino emulator. It lives at miskatino.github.io/Miskatino BASIC. The project, if you are not acquainted, is dedicated to running basic interpreter, basic language interpreter inside the various microcontrollers like Arduinos and others. And you can click help to check several resources like project own page and also some reference with instructions, etc. You can see the video where Miskatino controller is played with a smartphone via Bluetooth. We usually use some console, some terminal, either computer or from smartphone, where you see we can enter some commands like printing values, assigning variables, and so on. And this is how usual basic work. Here is our virtual board with some interactive elements, buttons, knobs, and let's pretend it to be connected to this board, and we shall try to engage them now. You see there are LEDs which are connected to pins from number 2 to number 9, sorry, and we shall try to turn them on and off. There is command pin which allows turning the voltage. Pin number 2, state 1. The LED is lit, there is 5 volts on this pin. Pin number 2, state 0, switches it off. Great. We now can write the program. This is created by preceding commands with line numbers, so they are not executed immediately but stored into memory. The first line is switching pin on, then delay, 300 milliseconds, then turn pin off and go to beginning. You see we can list this program as it is stored in the memory, and we can note that I have intentionally forgotten the delay after pin is switched off. Let us insert it. We simply use the line number which is in proper order between the commands we need. You see it is inserted where we want it, and we can run the command. You see the LED is blinking. That's how it works in real life. And even if now the controller is reset, switched off and on, or the emulator page is reloaded, you see the program was stored and it is auto-run unless some key is pressed, and so it will run forever in real system. But if we connect terminal, we can press Ctrl+C and break the execution, print the program as it was stored in memory, run it again, modify it, etc., etc. We can also reset the memory and save it, so you see no more program is here. That's all with the basics of our BASIC, and I invite you to see our future videos where we are going to use buttons and knobs to create more sophisticated program. Goodbye.